We're shipping Adabox in July. Thank you so much for your patience. Adafruit.com/blackgirlscode. When you buy one, we send blackgirlscode1.
We have a rugged panel mount fingerprint sensor. It's got like a nice connector and it's got an LED ring built into it. Next up, by your request, we have LR44 cells. Your everyday LR44s. These are, I think, lithium manganese, 1.5 volts per. And they actually come in a strip of 10. Have an I2C log potentiometer. This is a logarithmic potentiometer, which is useful in some cases where you need to bias or have a feedback resistor in a loop, or for audio applications where you need a logarithmic response curve. Next up, it's a respin. The BMP 280 was great. You get temperature and barometric pressure. And we now have it in STEMMA QT format. So it's the same pinout as before. It's physically a little bit different sized, but now it's plug and play, so you can use our STEMMA QT cables to chain this to, say, your I2C potentiometer. Next up, we have this cute little plug-in air quality module. Interesting about this is its I2C interface. So the PMSA003I is a STEMMA QT compatible breakout for that Platin Tower air quality sensor that gives you I2C plug and play data.